seconds. Welcome to Torsion Farm, guys. It's shui.
Hanap ko parking.
Saan to tayo?
Lungkos na yata sa parking.
Lungkos na tayo?
Oo, doon yung parking. Ayan kasi yung restaurant.
So currently we are now in Torba Farm.
Yes.
Para akong sa ibang sa ibang area ng Qatar. Parang na-miss ko yung Pinas. Grabe, ganito sa amin sa Pinas. Meron silang kiddie area. Saan i-zoom ko? Yan. Laruan ng mga bata. May nakita ako. Ito oh. Ayan oh. Yung, oo, pagkain to sa sa Pinas. Ayan oh, ayan oh.
Uy, pag-sure ka ba?
Hindi ka taga-probinsya ba?
Hindi, uy. Hindi yan ang mukha ng ganyan. Ano ba yan?
Ito yun, kinakain to. Tara. Ay, ano to? Cabbage ba to? Tingnan nyo guys. Feeling ko cabbage to, kaso hindi lang siya nadiligan. Ang dami actually oh.
Hindi na nag-ano siya eh. Namatay na. Namatay ng farm.
Ay, ang dami nila namatay. Pwede tayo magpakain ng hayop.
Oo. Maganda dito pag gabi.
Balik tayo next time. Oo. Balik tayo next time.
Yung maggagabi na.
Ah, goats!
Eto maganda dito.
Ay, akala. Me. Are you looking for me? Bakit daw nasa labas?
Mau dito na.
Nagkagala din pala siya. Tapos ito naman guys, mga baka, tsaka kamel. Beka naman. May mga cows.
May mga tag,
Yan, may mga tag siya, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hala, tinitingnan niya ako. Walang payat mo naman.
babae yan.
Ma'am, ang payat mo, ma'am.
May didi eh. Ayun, may didi siya. Ayun, lalaki. May betlog.
Kasi nawala na yung lalaki, B.
Mukhang hindi siya.
Ito naman na yung mga horses. Yan. Hi! Sarap! Sarap! Gabi naman sila, hindi fresh yung kinakain ng ano nila, no? Hindi fresh. Ah.
Kuha ka sa baba. Oh, he's feeding her sister.
Yun. Gusto niyang sinusubuan sa B. Kasi parang hindi siya ano. Bakit agatin mo naman yung ano ko? Bakit parang iba na inaabot mo? O sige na, dyan ka na. Bye! Merong pony dito.
Pony!
Hi!
Ay, pag sumakay tayo, dyan sasakay si Baste, no?
Oo.
Ang bata.
Next time.
Kasama. Ala, ang laki oh!
Ha? Ang laki na.
Tingnan mo.
Betlog daw. Kaya makita yung betlog. Oh, tingnan yung betlog.
Okay. Betlog.
Talaga, iba yun. Off mo yan. Laki, no? Ayan ang malaki.
Oo, malaman na lang, bebe.
Ano daw? Babaeng may betlog?
Ayan, lumalaki na siya, nakita. Lumalaki, nakita ka kasi.
Hi! Ay, magsisiso kami.
Doon ka sa kabila. Dadaan na. Yun.
Oh, parang madumi.
Okay. Dadaan naman.
Yung iba dyan naiinggit.
Gusto mo gas, ha?
Tawa kayo na.
Gusto mo mag-dress, ha? Hello, guys. I would like to introduce my family. This is Ben. Ben?
Hi, Ben.
Yeah. And that's 10.
Hi, Ten. Hi, Ben, Ten.
Kit ng ano niya.
Grabe ang tangkad niya.
Ano kumakay dyan?
Pakinggan niyo, pakinggan niyo. Ang tahimik, solong-solo naman yung place.
Kung hahabulin tayo ng itak, sino yung isa-sacrifice natin?
Yung camel. Ngayon ko na na-realize, ang sarap palang mabuhay sa Qatar.
So, ang sarap ng nature.
Kailan naman nag-open yung Torba Farm? Matagal na.
Parang last year pa. Ewan ko, last year pa to nag-exist na.
Siguro farm to ng Qatar, tapos inopen lang for public.
Baka
Ano?
nga.
Good business. Welcome to my playground. Hala ba? Ay!
Tanong ka.
Ay! Ay! Ay, ang phone ko!
May isa na namang bata na napagbigyan. May isang bata na naman
Alam niyo ba?
ang maligaya sa piling.
Alam niyo ba, hindi ko nararasang mag-trampoline. Trampoline nito? Mag-trampoline nung bata ako.
Ako din.
So ngayong 30 years old na ako. Ngayon nagmumukha akong isip bata. Ako na. Nakakapagod pala.
A few moments later.
Okay, just be careful.
Yes.
Ate Liz, tara!
It's kind of steep, guys. Wow! Hala, ang ganda ng... Feeling ko mag-i-enjoy si Baset dito.
Yep.
May taas pa ba to?
Meron. Punta ka doon.
Here?
Yep.
Hiningal ako. Hala! Ay! Pwede palang umakyat dito. Ah, may table.
Bukat na. May slide dyan.
Aray ko. Ah, ito. Kaso yung pants ko, white. Hindi ba masasabit yung ano ko?
Laban mo na lang.
Hala, Jay, natatakot ako. Ayaw mo? Be careful, baka sumabit. Ay! Shit, ang init sa puwet! Init! Parang nililiyaban yung puwet ko. Uy! Bakit? Ang sakit sa puwet!
Ang init ka.
Ang init sa puwet! Ang init sa puwet! Parang naluto yung bombom ko doon. Ayoko na. I came in like a wrecking ball. Healing my inner child. Where are we
That's the
going, Ray
garden.
Ray? What?
Garden.
What
And
garden?
there's
A rose garden?
There's
Is that a
more
rose?
garden there.
What garden? Can we pick up some flowers or not allowed?
I don't know. I think it's not allowed.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
So we can go from here or here.
I know where.
Diyan yung ano,
Yung
buffet.
ah,
Diyan, outdoor.
La-
Pero nung winter. Pag for barkada. Di ba?
ganda dito
Tapos may
pala pag
bonfire sa
winter.
gitna, may table. Pag
Wala si Liz. Diyan yung buffet area.
Siya, Tilis.
Doon pa nagtitiktok.
Dito tayo.
And this one is dates, guys. Ito yung dates pag hilaw pa siya.
Dates.
Tsaka kita mo, ang daming ano, vegetables. Cabbage, diba? Akala ko ano siya, nest ng ibon. Ilaw pala siya. Jay, oh. Ilaw din ba to? Ilaw ata to. Ay, may sugar cane. Sugar cane.
2,000 years later.
So guys, we're finally here inside the cafe in Torba Farm. And I've got to see this. I think this is the history. Flora and Botany of Torba Farm. Ayan siya, ito na yung history. Vegetables. Ah, kaya pala ako may nakikita kaninang mga cabbage dun. Ayan. Grabe. Corn. Siguro sila din yung nagsusupply ng mga ano, no? Mga groceries sa ano. Aromatic plants. Okay, we will order food first.
Ayoko.
Wow. I think this is from the farm. Yung mga roses nila kanina. Yung mga roses nila doon. Ginawa nila dito. Ang ganda. Yes, this is a real flower. Tsaka ito. Ah, okay. O, diba? Kahit
May
hindi mo na
shop doon.
kailangan ng ano, maglinis.
May shop doon. Sa mga ano, sabon.
Where?
There. Somewhere here.
Somewhere here. Okay,
Later,
let's go there later. But it's kinda hot right now.
It has like what is called this is
Show me.
retinol inside. Okay, okay, there is retinol. Okay, which will work like elasticity for the wrinkle skin. It's also very good for the oral health.
Younger
You wanna try?
skin.
I just give him. It will trigger the salivary gland.
Okay, I will try.
Okay, then you will feel like so much saliva is coming in your mouth, which is very good for your overall oral health. It's also
More saliva daw.
Ito na.
just keep it. If it is a fresh one, it has instant effect. It will give you like slowly, and also
I
very
think
good-
a little only, it's fine, right?
yeah, a little only.
Ah, yeah, I can feel now.
Tingling,
Tingling.
right? It's really very nice.
It's called electric daisy.
You
Oh.
should not scared trying this. Sure? Okay.
Try. Electric
You
daisies.
won't regret.
Yeah, it doesn't have any taste.
Maging darna ka.
Okay?
Trying.
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
No problem.
Thank you.
Do you do vlog? Yeah.
Yeah, but personal vlog only, like a diary for me, like, yeah. You're welcome.
Every chicken. What do you call it?
Which one? This is pandan.
Pandan.
No, this is lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Yeah,
Can you
lemongrass.
keep it for me? I'm going to add this. I will blend in the water. It will clean also.
It's nice, by the way. It tastes.
Yeah, it's good.
Cold drinks.
What are you going to do with this?
Okay. Try this one. How strong aroma it has.
Oh my god,
How is it? Good.
that's good. You know, we used to stuff this in chicken,
Yeah.
and I love the scent for this one for the perfume.
You know when you have citrusy aroma, it will help to produce like a neurotransmitter called serotonin. Okay, then we feel like relaxed. This is the reason why
Yeah.
when you go to the spa, salon, resort,
Usually this is the scent.
this is the scent. Citrus
Yes.
scent. Let's try some fresh herbs.
Ooh. Fresh herbs.
Oh, no, wait, Mummy will also shop.
Yeah. This is lemongrass, right?
Okay, this is lemongrass. Can you hold it for me? We have 4 different varieties of lemongrass.
Oh, really?
Okay. But you can call me, no problem. After 15 minutes.
What are these?
Jamun. The plum.
Raisins.
Java plum. I think it comes in the black one.
Please. Oh, okay.
Here.
Here.
You know what I'm talking about, Java plum.
The one we
Okay.
found the key.
Heavy hand.
Dito pala dapat nagtambay kasi malamig.
So guys,
Open mo mic mo. Ay.
Magano na kayo? Wala mag-cheers.
Can we do the cheers like that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
One small, please.
Ah, okay.
One more, please.
One more, one more. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. I just wanted to capture some candid shots, laughing.
kanina. Kanina mo bad trip.
Kanina parang bad trip ka.
Kanina mo bad trip siya.
Oo. Deserve pala niya yung tawa niya, no? Ni-deserve yung tawa.
Hindi niya tayo kanina tinatawanan.
Oo. Parang sabi niya, kailangan ko na,
Ano yung tawa mo kanina?
kailangan ko ng energy later.
Yung candid pala, yung
tawa.
Yung maya-itik.
Ay, ganun.
Oo.
Ang ganda.
Yung parang horse.
Ay. Ubus ko na yun sa akin.
Gusto na yun sa akin. Parang gusto ko
Ay, ano to? Sa baba, parang
Passion fruit.
passion fruit? It's a seed.
Can I finish this now?
Kaya nga yun. Ka-record pala tayo.
Uy,
Hindi, kakat ko na lang.
naka-record pala. Tapos na-marites yung mga kan.
Pero grabe.
Gabi nga.
Pwede pala ito lemongrass sa ano?
Steerer.
If you want to be a little bit adventurous, okay?
Yeah.
From that stairs, you can go up. This is ceiling.
Oh, really?
Okay, and you can see out of from up the top.
What is this? The seed. What seed is this?
This is, I think, passion fruits.
Oh.
Yeah, I told you. Passion fruit! So we're going up.
Oh, you enjoy the drink first? Okay, you can see from there.
May feeling pala dito.
No, I'll leave the drink. I'll come back after.
So guys, we're going up.
You have to go from here. You want to take them going up?
Shamis, 1 minute.
I think they're taking photo, I think.
Oh, they can climb.
We can climb.
Ah, from where? Here? Ah.
Mindful with the steps.
Oh, wow. Ang galing. Asan na si madam?
Hindi, isa-isa eh. Wala na yung madam.
Dam. Ay,
Dambo.
madam, ayun. Magkakaibigan nga tayo, ano? Yeah. Thank you. Mag-subscribe na din kayo sa akin.
Ano yung may drone, no? Ang drone dito. Dito yung kalupaan ko. Ito sa'yo.
Kita mo yan lahat.
Kita mo yung pikak.
Lahat. Oh.
Kapatid mo yan.
Yung camel doon. Mag-anak mo yun, di ba?
Ah, oo.
Kita mo yan lahat. Ha?
Ano? Sinulit mo yung 50 mo, girl. May libre ka pang ano.
Nilibre. May libre pa nga, no? Kasali pa tayo sa ano sa
Oo.
Thank
Thank you.
Huwag ka parang nakakatakot. Uy, play lang to. Baka malaglag tayo dito.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, uy, hindi ganyan.
Uy.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Ayun, may video.
Wala na. Ay, puto ka.
Okay, you can hold the phone.
Thank you.
Okay.
What is
This
this?
is a Java plum.
Java plum?
Plum.
This one, what is this? I saw this everywhere.
Salt helioscepter. The weeds that grows in the salty waters.
Mm.
Black color. It is very
Video mo din siya pa
tasty. It can be found in my country, in Nepal.
Really?
Ako mag-video sa'yo.
There's no ripe for now that we can
No,
try.
you have to come after a month.
A month.
Yeah.
But it will be extremely hot that time. Winter season.
Winter we have so many other fruits.
Mm.
We
I will
grow
visit
more
here
than,
one day.
40
How many?
different varieties of fruits in the farm.
40.
More than 40.
Oh.
And there is always something is ready that you can pick and eat the fruits. Now this time you can already start picking the dates. It's available.
Ah, the dates.
Yeah, sugar cane.
Yeah, I love sugarcane. We have a lot of sugarcane in the Philippines.
But this time
Why?
sugar cane also doesn't have so much juice.
Sugar,
it will
because of-
be much better in the winter.
Kaya nga eh. Buti na lang nagbihis tayo.
This is almond tree.
Almond tree.
Indian almond. And this is the passion fruit.
What is this?
Wild
See, I told you, guys, this can be eaten.
Yeah, this is very this is wild passion fruits.
Wild passion fruit.
In the supermarket you can find the big one.
We have like this one in the Philippines. We call
This
this
is wild one.
kadina.
Using its flower to make some natural remedies as a natural herb.
I think I see this in Lula. It's very expensive.
This is not ripe. It has to turn like yellow.
Yeah, it's
it's
turn like
really
brown.
sweet.
Yeah.
And quite sour.
The benefit of this.
Very rich in antioxidants.
Antioxidants. May naiwan ba tayo doon? Yung phone ko ata.
Doon ang bag ko.
Kunin mo yung bag mo.
Kunin ka na doon.
Guys, so we were given a chance na mapasali sa kanilang sa kanilang advertisement. Ayan. So we've got this drink. Actually, hindi ko alam. Mojito or something. Pero, muntik na ako mapainom sa lemongrass.
Kaya na kanina yung straw.
Masarap. Grabe, nakalibre kami sa 50 reals. Imagine, nag-shooting kami. Mayroon pa kaming tour guide.
Tara na.
Solve. Let's go guys. I'm starving. Phone ko ga.
Nandito.
Okay.
Wala naman na, di ba?
Yes. I think we could just ask them to go because I'm really
May work pa tayo.
tired. Ripe dates.
Gabi dapat. Yung maggagabi.
Sama natin sila.
Ano?
Sama natin sila.
Ayan natin si Jeron para may another.
A few moments later.
Tapos ganito ang dito.
Doon ka sa kabila.
Kabila para mas magkang kayo.
Ganyan, pasok na. Pasok na. Pasok na.
Taasan nyo.